Welcome to trigonometry. Before we start, there are three things that you need to know. You need to know sine, you need to know cosine, and you need to know tangent. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. And tan is opposite over adjacent. Now, for this to work, you will need a calculator. There is a way to do this in your head, but it is extremely difficult and it is way easier to use a calculator. So have one at hand.
This is problem 1. We need to find x, and to do so, we need to figure out whether or not to use sine, cosine, or tangent. Now, you can choose an angle, 30 degrees or 60 degrees. In this problem, I'm going to choose 30 degrees. Now, you label your sides. Across from the 90 degrees will be the hypotenuse. Across from the given angle will be the opposite. And what's left will be the adjacent, or next to 30 degrees. Now we figure out which one of these uses opposite and hypotenuse. Sine. So sine and our angle equals opposite over hypotenuse. So opposite, x, over 7. And since sine is a whole number, put it over 1. And now we can write a proportion and cross multiply. So x equals 7 sine 30. Put that in a calculator, and you'll get 3.5.
This is problem 2. We need to find x. And to do so, we must know, are we going to use sine, cosine, or tangent? To figure that out, we have to choose an angle. I'm going to choose angle 60. Now we need to label the triangle. Since x is next to angle 60, x is the adjacent angle. And since 25 is across from 60, that is the opposite angle. Which one of these includes both opposite and adjacent? It's tan. So now that we know that, we can set up a proportion. We can say that opposite, 25, over adjacent, x, equals tan 60 over 1. Now it's as simple as just cross multiplying. It becomes 25 equals x tangent 60. But x has to be by itself. So we divide tangent 60 to the other side. So x becomes 25 divided by tan 60. And if you put that into a calculator, x will become 14.43.